Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tatenda and I'm a Data Science and AI Research Fellow at University of Tübingen. So for the fellowship that I'm on, we have to present once every month to share our progress and our plans for the future regarding our projects. So I'm going to show you how I prepare for a presentation and how the presentation day goes. And this is for my presentations for the month of April and the month of May. So one of the things that I do is I talk to one of my supervisors before I go for a presentation to share with them how I plan to deliver the presentation. And I also share with them the slides or a poster depending on the format of the presentation. So in this part, I am having a meeting with one of my supervisors and a contributor to my project as well to share with them my plan for the presentation, and they're giving me advice on what to add and what to remove. So sometimes I get stage fright when I have to talk in front of people. My friend and I, who's also on this fellowship, my friend and I decided to present to each other the night before the presentation so that we could get used to delivering the presentation and also to check the duration of the presentation, because it's supposed to be between 5 and 10 minutes. So this is the morning of the presentation, and I'm also preparing for the presentation, and I'm presenting to myself just to make sure that I know what I'm talking about. So one thing to note here, guys, is I do not have specific words that I plan on saying. I just talk and I make sure that I know what I'm talking about. So if you want to be good at presenting, the idea is when you're rehearsing, you do not stick to particular words, you just stick to an idea. So you make sure you know what you're talking about and you don't get lost throughout the presentation.
Is Tübingen Data Science Fellow with the Clinical Bioinformatics and Machine Learning in Translational Single Cell
Effects, which is the 1, 3, and 6 month scale of SPI and SP.
So I'm going to be introducing the topic. So my topic is analyzing attentional processes in real-life social interactions. And it's a case of teacher-student interactions in a classroom setting. And yeah, that's my name, and my supervisor is Professor Engeleda from the Human Computer Interaction Group. This is the presentation for the month of May. We were supposed to have a poster session, and from our understanding, a poster session is when you just stand next to your poster and people come and ask you questions. But it ended up being a full presentation, so we were presenting but just standing next to our posters in front of an audience.
Thank you.
I forgot to record you, sorry.
I'm sitting in the department for medicine, and like an hour now we are interested in
Figuring out certain aspects about machine learning methods that applied to single cell biology. The background.
So usually after the presentations, the machine learning cluster, which is the group that we are part of under this fellowship, they take us out for lunch. So this is us going for lunch. In May, we had visitors from the African Institute for Mathematical Sciences. So they also planned a museum visit for us. So we went to the University Museum, and The following day, they also planned another trip to a castle close to the town where we are located.
It's not very proportional. That's everyone's question. It looked like he had a necklace and a hat. Oh, we're crossing the road. The right one. I used to go to the beach and there were classes that really stressed me.
So my friend and I realized that we wouldn't be able to walk all the way uphill. So we just went back down and then waited for a shuttle to take us up. And the rest of the group, they were so comfortable. They looked really comfortable walking up the hill. So yeah, we just walked and we met them there.
You have experience.
Thank you guys for watching.